Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to Mr. Techfox. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your Mac. This is an easy way using just your keyboard. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So let's go step by step. First, if you want to take a screenshot of the entire screen, just press Command, Shift and 3 together. And it will take a screenshot of the entire screen instantly. Now, if you want to capture just a portion of the screen, just press Command, Shift and 4 together. And then your cursor will turn into a small crosshair. Just click and drag to select the area you want to capture. And now, release it. Once you release, the screenshot is taken and saved instantly. And if you want to capture a specific window, press the same. Command, Shift and 4 together again, and then tap the spacebar. Now your cursor turns into a camera icon. Just hover over the window, it gets highlighted and get click-ons. On the other hand, if you are on macOS Mojave or later, you can also press Command, Shift 5 together. And this opens a small toolbar at the bottom where you can choose whether to capture the full screen, a window, or a custom person. You can even record your screen from here. And all screenshots by default go to your desktop. So if you want to find them, you can get them here. As I have chosen custom location for myself, so they're gonna be saved on this raw folder on my macOS. But you can find them on your desktop icon here. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to take a screenshot professionally on macOS. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.